Hello, ladies and gentlemen, welcome back to our YouTube channel. I hope you will be fine. If you are new on my YouTube channel, then subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos. In this video, I am going to share about huge profitable project. Its name is Decentrawood. In this video, I am going to share each and everything about this project. So guys, before waste your time, I am starting the video. You can check here Decentrawood, your chance to win 100 user, get $1,000 plus 1,000 points. Sign up now, the first 100 user get $1,000 plus 1,000 gaming points. So guys, you can sign up now, then you can claim your reward. You can check here. Gamify Festival is live. Register now and earn 1000 gaming points. Then you can play this game now. And as guys, we discuss further detail about this project. Decentrawood AI powered metaverse platform created, honored and governed by the creative community of artists, game developers and gamers. And next guys, you can click this start exploring and see this page is loading. So guys, you can check here. So first of all, you can sign in or create an account, then you can get $1,000 and 1000 gaming points. Enter the world of Decentrawood, ready to explore our new world. So guys, you can select any now, continue with valid, continue as a guest. If your account is already registered, then you can log in now. So I select continue as a guest. Then guys, you can click this next and see this culture glimmer gaming AI. So guys, you can click here culture and see this culture event coming soon. You can check here all the cultural event. You can check here, you can see this all is the event. And next guy, you can go to the home page and see this further detail. You can check here glamour event. So guys, you can click here and see this glamour. You can join now. Burj Khalifa, Cup Hub, Marriage Hall. You can check here celebrity place, Rendezvous shop. You can check here all is the glamour. And next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can check here gaming events. So guys, you can click here and see this gaming AI. You can check here. And next guys, we back to the home page and see this further detail. You can check here. You can see the Decentrawood map. So guys, you can click here and see the Decentrawood map. You can check here in the zone, river zone. You can check here. And next guys, you can check here more detail about this project. You can scroll down and check here the events about this project. Decentrawood October 11, ready to play and earn. Join Match Mania on 1750 GP daily. You can check here. You can join this event now. You can check here gaming festival is live. So guys, you can join now. You can click here, then you can join now. You can see this. And next guys, you can scroll down and check here on land and earn from it. By acquiring a piece of land in our immersive virtual universe, you gain the ability to build, customize and monetize your space, host events, create unique experiences or lease your property to other users. The possibilities are endless and the potential for profit is substantial. And next you can check here, create your own world. Decentrawood is a world built by you where the only limit is your imagination. Create and sell variables and emotes, construct captivating scenes and interactive experiences, or set up a personal space in your own world. Just as you can check here, create your avatar. Discover new experiences and make friends along the way. Go on epic quests, attend concerts, visit art galleries and more. Express yourself through avatars and mingle across the metaverse in style. And next you can check here immersive experiences, glamour event. You can check here culture gaming. You can see this. And next guys, you can check here further detail about this project. You can check here the white paper of this project. So guys, we go to the white paper. You can check here white paper PDF is open. It take time. Then you can see this PDF is open now. You can check here PDF about this project Decentrawood. You can scroll down and see this further detail about this project Decentrawood. You can check here VN. You can see this VN detail, executive summary about this project, metaverse with NFTs, 2 digital ownerships, number 2 security and immutability, number 3 trading, number 4 cross application interoperability. And next I will discuss what is DUDE and what is it used for. DUDE token is a decentralized wood in world currency as well as the platform cryptocurrency. DUDE is an ERC20 token on Polygon blockchain that allows users to buy or sell land and other NFTs. So guys, you can check your idea. Next guys, you can see this what do we plan next. Dude token is a Decentraland in world currency as well as the platform cryptocurrency. Dude is an ERC20 token on Polygon blockchain that allows user to buy or sell land and other NFTs. So guys, you can check here item, you can see this and next guys, you can check here further detail about this project. You can check here the platform, assets marketplace, land maps, avatar details, zones on earth. You can see this gaming, real estate. You can check here shopping, music and entertainment, travel, learning, socializations, NFT. You can check here all detail in this white paper. And next back to the home page, and next you can check here governance overview, proposals, active grants, dot transparency, dot grants, dot document. You can check here blogs, news. So guys, you can click here and see this news about this project Decentraland. You can check here the Decentraland community, do token search, invest now for maximum gain, latest article. You can check here all news about this project. And next guys, you can check here blog. So guys, you can click here and see this blog, live blog. You can check here, you can join this blog now. You can see this all is the blog about this project Decentraland. And next guys, you can check here community. You can click here and see this community of this project Decentraland. Build the community. You can join now, then you can play now and earn now, then you can grow this project Decentraland. You can check here how to be a community builder and earn reward. Register and invite, play and compete, hold and earn, get incentives for engagement, promote and win. And next guys, you can check here start building today. And next guys, we go to this project due token price chart in Maxic exchange. So we go to Maxic. You can say guys, you can check here the chart, price chart of this project due token. You can check here the price. You can see this price $0.002656. You can check here the price chart of this project. You can scroll down and check here price in up and down. You can get huge profit now. Then guys, you can start trading now. If you want to buy now, then you can enter your USDT amount of dude, then you can buy now. If you want to sell, then you can click here, enter your amount, then you can sell dude token now, then you can get profit now. You can check here and next we back to the home page. And next guys, you can join this project on following social media platform: Telegram, Twitter, Facebook, Instagram, YouTube, and next other exchanges, CoinMarketCap, Kungico. You can check here. So we go to this project official Twitter page. So guys, you can see this Decentraland gaming official Twitter page is open. You can follow this and give information about this project. You can scroll down and check here all important posts about this project. You can see this. You can like and comment this post and tweet this post about this project. You can check here all posts. And next guys, we go to this project Telegram group chat community. So guys, you can check here Decentraland official Telegram group chat community is open. 22,074 members that join this group. So guys, you can join this group. And next we back to the home page. So guys, this website video is finished. If you are like my video, then don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel and press the bell icon for upcoming videos.